All right, rule 3, use technology. Now, when we recorded these videos to begin with, this was pre-pandemic, pre-COVID, and the universe at large wasn't quite using technology in the same way that we are today. You know, Zoom bombing and Zoom fatigue, and I'm going to Zoom some people. None of those things were part of our vocabulary. In fact, it was really, really hard to get a lot of folks onto a video conference at all. And now I've held lots of video conferences with aging relatives and, all kinds of folks you never thought were going to do a video conference ever. So use video conferencing is no longer a revolutionary claim. This isn't a big push anymore, which opens the door to being aware of all of the other ways in which you can use technology to run better meetings. Because as you have probably experienced on your Zoom calls or team calls or whatever it is you've been using over the past several months, that modality, being able to see each other, isn't doing anything to help you with all of the other rules. It's not helping you define your meetings. It's not helping you brainstorm better or use silence or any of these other things. So in February, one of the things that we did at Lucid is we convened a series of meetings with the larger meeting technology community, trying to get a sense of what are all of the different kinds of technology out there, because there's a lot more out there beyond just video conferencing. And at the end, we came up with a list of over 200 distinct technologies that help teams run smarter meetings. So rather than go over the list of 200 with you today, I'm going to point you to where you can find those on our website. And what I can tell you is that there are technologies to help with all different phases of the meeting. There are tools like the one that we run at Lucid Meetings ourselves, which is designed to help you, define the purpose and track the agenda and capture the notes and make sure that value is baked into all of the different calls. There are technologies out there that are using artificial intelligence to get a sense of whether or not everybody's getting an equal time to speak, or how people are feeling, or how many different kinds of interesting keywords are coming up. So they're surfacing the kinds of data and insight from meetings we were never able to get before. And finally, there are all kinds of really cool tools that help you have a fabulous sort of sticky note, whiteboard, drawing, visual, creative experience in the digital world, in a way that all of the sticky notes you used to put on the wall and then hope to God you could catch with your camera, none of those can compare to, because using technology, not only do you get that same kind of collaborative event, but then you've also got the archive and the record built into the collaboration itself. So I encourage you to check out the website. It's organized by category. We found, I want to say, 16 distinct major categories. And as you walk through those technologies, you can learn a little bit about how all of them can help contribute to helping you run smarter meetings.